Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to invest on crypto in 2025. So if you also want to invest on crypto in 2025, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you can invest in crypto through various wallets. You can use the wallets like MoonPay, Binance, Bitget, MetaMask, etc. Here I'm just going to use the MoonPay application. If you also want to use the MoonPay application, make sure to download the MoonPay application on your device. You can easily install the MoonPay application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install the MoonPay application, simply open it. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating the account is very simple. After you create an account, make sure to log into your account. Before investing on crypto, make sure your identity is verified. If your identity is not verified, you'll not be able to buy any kind of cryptos. You can see over here, initially you'll be in the home interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the total value. Right below it, you'll be able to find the options like buy and sell. You'll be able to see the top performers over here. Also, you'll be able to see the popular assets. You can see the popular assets over here. For example, if you want to buy the Bitcoin, simply tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the chart. You can see the particular time periods over here. If you tap on any of the option, the chart for that particular time period will be shown. Analyze the chart of the cryptos properly and decide which crypto you want to buy. Now for example, I'm just going to buy the Bitcoin. If you want to buy the Bitcoin, simply tap on the buy option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. You can see over here, Bitcoin is selected as asset. If you want to buy another asset, all you have to do is tap on it. Now select the asset that you want to buy. All you have to do is tap on the crypto that you want to buy. I'm just going to buy Bitcoin. Now all you have to do is enter the amount of crypto that you want to buy. Simply tap right over here. Now enter the amount. You can also choose from the options that you can see right over here. After that, all you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now all you have to do is confirm the order. You can see the amount of Bitcoin that you're buying. All you have to do is choose the payment method and wallet. Simply tap on the option choose payment method. Now all the cards that you've added to your account will be shown over here. Simply tap on the card that you want to use to buy the Bitcoin. Now you'll also have to select the wallet. MoonPay account will already be selected by default. If you want to change it, simply tap on it. Now you can enter the Bitcoin wallet address over here. If you want to choose the MoonPay account, simply tap on the option MoonPay. The amount that you'll have to pay will be displayed right over here on your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the option pay with card that you can see right over here. After that, your order will be processed. After your order is processed, you'll be able to receive the Bitcoin or any crypto that you purchased. So that is how you invest on crypto in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.